So this is a brand new feature in the marketplace, which we're really excited about. What it uses is a cyclonic air to capture the lint out of the air instead of a manual screen. If you've used a dryer at home, you know you got to pull the dryer out and clean the lint out. Same thing happens on a commercial machine. We've got the air goes through, we put a fine mesh screen in, it captures about 70% of the lint, and then the rest, unfortunately, gets vented out. It goes into the vents, it gets on the dryer. If you've been to a hotel and you walk outside and it looks like snow on the ground, well, that's the lint that hasn't been captured, that gets in the lint, so that's a fire hazard. It dramatically impacts the ability of the dryer to be efficient, to be able to light properly. Well, with this new cyclonic, basically I'll call it a built-in lint collector. It uses air, it doesn't use any screen, and it will pull the lint out, and it captures about, I have to look at it again, I believe it's 95% plus of the lint. So you've got a very clean vent going outside, so you don't have all that problem, and you will not need an external lint collector, which we've sold, which are expensive. You don't have the space for it in a lot of applications. So we're very, very excited about this kind of revolutionary new product that Unimac has come out with. Unfortunately, it's not something you can retrofit. It is a complete redesign of the dryer. They have rolled it out on a couple models, and they will be expanding that through the product line over time as they get all the agency approvals that they need to be able to do that. But the few that we've seen out in the marketplace that have worked remarkably well of capturing that lint. And again, that's one less place that you've got to worry about cleaning vents. And then the big one is, lint is a real fire hazard. That's where, if you're not doing it on a regular basis, that could be a real problem. Typically in the bottom of the dryer where we've had the lint screen, it is disposed down there. So it's just basically a big box in the bottom of it, and then you can just open it up and just take it out. You can get it with a shop vac, or you can just take it out by hand. It's actually a little easier to clean out than in the old stuff.